Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to delete any subscription on your iPhone. At first you have to open App Store. Here tap on your profile picture, here in the top right corner, and now tap on subscriptions. Here, as you can see, we have every single subscription we have active or inactive. Tap on one, and here to delete, tap cancel subscription. But to delete subscription completely, here you can't do so. You'll see this in inactive. Just you can cancel subscription here, tapping this red button here. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. Goodbye!